To fix a non-functional Mint Mobile login, several potential issues should be considered. The most common reasons for this problem include incorrect login credentials, a corrupted app, or internet connection problems. To resolve these issues, start by verifying the accuracy of the login credentials, ensuring that the phone number and password are entered correctly. Check for any typing errors or incorrect characters, and re-enter the details if necessary. If the password is forgotten, utilize the Forgot Password option and follow the provided guidelines to reset it. If the issue persists, clearing the app's cache may be necessary. For Android devices, this can be done by launching the Settings app, selecting the Apps option, choosing the Mint Mobile app, and then clicking the Clear Cache option. For iOS devices, go to the Settings app, select the General option, tap the iPhone Storage option, choose the Mint Mobile app, and then select the Offload app option. If none of these steps resolve the issue, inspect the internet connection to ensure it is stable. Trying a different Wi-Fi network may also help to determine if the problem is related to the internet connection. By following these steps, it should be possible to fix a non-functional Mint Mobile login.